A career at Panasonic. It could be the perfect choice for you and your future. You'd be joining a company of 250,000 people, producing some of the most advanced, intelligent technology solutions in the world. At Panasonic, we believe that businesses will succeed if they can simply focus on their customers, in the knowledge that the technology delivering their capabilities will just work. You'd be part of our mission to make the world a better place for people at work, at home, and on the move. And in our culture, we believe that if you give people the freedom to be great, everything else follows.
Within Panasonic, you will always evolve and change and develop your career. I started as a product manager for French market, and I'm now responsible of the full marketing activity within all Europe.
It doesn't matter what level you're working at, everyone's approachable, everyone's flexible, they'll make time for you.
At the Solution Centre in Cardiff, we engineer bespoke solutions for our customers. We go and visit the customer, find out exactly what their problems are, and then deliver solutions around that.
How we can contribute to society through our business. That's Panasonic philosophy. And I personally also want to change something, make society improve.
It's amazing for me to see how many different people with cultural backgrounds are coming together to input their creativity, their effort.
What I like about the company is the variety of work. 25 years, I don't think there's 2 days that have ever been the same, and there's new challenges that are put forward to me every day.
Being in contact with the end customers, with the end users, and believing in what you're really selling, I think it's the most important thing.
In my moment of need, where I've had a car breakdown in the past, there was nothing more sort of satisfying than the car breakdown company turning up at the roadside, and the first thing they did was get a tough book out to diagnose what was wrong with my vehicle, and that was particularly satisfying, knowing that my problem was being solved by a solution that I was part of delivering in the past.
Proudest moment was delivering the Olympics. I was the program manager working for Panasonic for 34 venues, and we delivered all the security for those venues.
The service I give the customer. Says the customer is happy, Panasonic is happy.
There isn't a typical day at Panasonic for me. You can make a plan and everything changes during the day because we have so many different tasks to do.
I love working with international people. I like working with different cultures. It's always interesting.
Panasonic Business.